Hey gang, Mark LeBlanc welcoming you back to the Alley Cat Workshop. I've got a quick one again for you today. I just bought myself a brand new Stronghold chuck. It came with an adapter for my lathe. In this case, it's an 8 TPI 1.25" diameter adapter. And I'm going to show you the best practice in installing said adapter in your chuck. So my adapter has 4 holes. The chuck only has 2. 2 of the holes on the adapter are actually there to be able to remove the adapter eventually, and I've got a separate video on how to remove an adapter, and I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Right now I'm going to focus on installing it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my adapter and I'm going to align it in the hole with the 2 screws. And I'm going to take said screws and I'm going to just quickly screw them in so that I feel a little bit of resistance, but not much more. All right, once you're at this point, you might be tempted to take an Allen key and start screwing one of the screws in as much as you can. That's not the best practice. The best practice actually is to take the Allen key, one of the screws, screw it in maybe half a turn. Go to the other screw and screw it as well, half a turn. And then keep going like this until you can go no more. So half a turn and half a turn here. And like I said, keep going until the screws just don't move. Reason you're doing that is that the adapter is slightly tapered. By doing it progressively one side and the other, it kind of evens out as it sits inside of the chuck, keeping the alignment nice and proper. If you go to town on only one of the screws, the risk is that you're going to have an adapter that's slightly out of its natural axis with the chuck itself. So let me screw this in. It's going to take a little while, maybe 5 minutes, but certainly let me come back to you once I'm pretty much done here. All right, I'm almost done here. I've gotten to the point where I can feel some resistance on both of the screws. So at this point in time, go ahead, tighten the screws as much as you can to finish off the job. You might need to come back from one screw to the next. But yeah, it's as simple as that. You just have to be a little bit patient so that your adapter will sit properly inside of your chuck. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up button. It always helps. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Always helps the channel. Thanks guys, and I'll see you soon.